Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I have to show you basic solid tops and why you need them in your wardrobe. I'm going to show you different patterns, different colors and all in budget of rupees 300 to 500. Can you believe that? And most of them, like 90% of them, are in the 200 category. With the quality you're gonna see, I'm sure all of you are going to thank me so much, and I'll be so happy if I can help you out. So without further talking, let's get directly into the video. The first one I want to talk about is this beautiful pink number I'm wearing. It has this beautiful pleated pattern on the front and it is a crop top. It is elasticated on the sleeve. This can be styled in multiple ways since it is solid color. You can pair it up with plain bottoms or even printed bottoms, with your denims or with your satins. Anything would do, because this is the magic of basic solid clothing collections in your wardrobe. I think it is a must have, and I am all game to show you so many more. So let's get to the next one. The next one is this beautiful olive pleated crop top. Yet again, this one is very modestly sleeveless, so this is not completely those cutout sleeves till here, so it is very comfortable to wear. This is a beautiful sweetheart kind of a neckline, round sweetheart neckline. It has a V-cut in front. It is pleated on the back as well. This is crop size and also available in different colors. I picked up the olive one because I did not have it yet, and I love it for the fit and I love it for the way I can style it in multiple different ways. Moving on to the next one. The next one is this beautiful sea green colored number. This is like again elasticated on the sleeves, and this is again elastic sleeves, and it has a pleated shoulder till the back. It is pleated. It is square at the back and sweetheart in the front. It is such a beautiful color. I love it with my lilac trousers. I love it with my denims. I love it with so many different other options. So that is again the magic of solid colors. As you can see, this one also is available in a lot of colors. Moving on to the next one. The beautiful ruffle full sleeve blue colored number. It is completely turtleneck kind. It has a zipper on the shoulder for beautiful fit, and this is also available in different colors. None of these tops I'm showing you needs ironing, so that is the biggest plus, because I hate ironing clothes. I cannot stress it enough, and I had to get these ones only because these are so good even for your office, even for your college, even for your date nights. All of these basic tops can be dressed up and dressed down as you want. Moving on to the next piece. This is the beautiful next piece. This is a soft blue color. It is pleated at the back and also at the front. For the price you pay, so much of detail is like really, thank you so much for the brand to do this. And the material is again wrinkle free, and it is so good. I love the fit. I love the pattern. I am in love. Available in a lot of other colors. Moving on to the next one. This is one of those rare colors which you don't really have in your wardrobe. I love the color because I can style it up with my current favorite olive pants, and this looks so good. It's a beautiful rusty brown color and it looks so good. I cannot stress this enough. Maybe some people not like it, but I love it. It has a beautiful V cut, and the beauty of this top is the shoulder. It has a puffy shoulder, so it looks like really nice and beautiful. So this one is also wrinkle free and available in other colors. Moving on to the next one. Look at this beauty. This is such a good cut and pattern. This is in a color mustard yellow and also available in different other colors. This is a beautiful pattern. This front cut over here adds so much detail. You can also pin it up if you're not comfortable with showing your tummy. I did both actually on a day, and this looks fantastic. It is such a cute piece. It goes out so well with your denims as well as with your track pants, with your skirts and whatnot. Moving on to the next one. As they say, save the best for the last. So this is a beautiful shoulder cut black pleated front and back, full sleeves, full size top. It's not a crop top, so it is beautiful, available in a lot of other colors, but the black number stole my heart because I could style it in so many ways that I'm not even kidding you. This one is one of my favorites, and it can be such a good party piece, and and also a very good casual piece. All you have to do is accessorize it down or up according to your need and according to your occasion. Moving on to the next one. All of the other ones were pleated. This one is completely simple and plain. The beauty of this one is the neckline. It is like this and square. It is beautiful. It is black, available in a lot of other colors, so take your pick. Moving on to some of the honorable mentions which I have in my wardrobe, and those are solid, those are colorful, and those are so multifunctional. You can get these solid colored tees as well, available in sets of 2, 3, 5. So I got this in a set of 2, yellow, orange, pink, yellow, orange, maroon and blue. I love it. I love it. Moving on to the next one, honorable mention. I have these 3 colors from the same brand and same pattern. I love them so much that I got all of them, like literally all of them. Such a nice shiny green color, like shouting summer, and this is one of my favorite solid color tops. This is such a beautiful number. I even wore this to my Vietnam trip. I loved it for the multiple styling I could do with it. And this one, which I haven't yet worn, this one is a beautiful blue color. I love it again. And one of my favorite solid color tops is this orange one. I have shown this in my previous video if you have watched it. I love it for the fit, I love it for the neckline, I love it for the color, the fabric, everything fantastic. Also, this chiffon piece in a solid color. This is how it looks. It is zipped on the side for a good fitting. It is like a show button on the front, and this is fantastic. I style it in multiple ways with my pajamas, with my jeans, with my skirts. It looks so good. And the last honorable mention is again pink, which is like this. Super duper, just very similar to this one, but different fabric, different brand, different pattern. I love it. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Let me know सारे tops कैसे लगे, which one is your favorite. Put that in the comments. All the product links will be in the description, so you want to buy anything, go get it from there. Follow me on my Instagram page and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.